Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is send Slack channel message for new account in Salesforce. Now suppose guys you are a business owner and you are using Salesforce as a CRM application to manage all your leads and clients. And whenever you crack a deal, you get a new client, you add that very same client as a new account in your Salesforce CRM. Now you want to inform or update your team members as well regarding this new account or new client. So you manually get the details of newly added account from Salesforce, manually process that data and send those details as a channel message on your Slack channel so that you can notify your team members as well. But guys, this manual process is very much repetitive and time consuming. So in this video, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever a new account will be added in our Salesforce CRM, instantly, automatically, the details of that very same newly added account will be sent as a channel message on a Slack channel and all of our team members will be notified. Interesting, right? Now here you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can create this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Salesforce to Slack. Salesforce to Slack and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new accounts which we are creating in our Salesforce CRM in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send that very same new Salesforce account details to Slack so that we can send the details or the data of that new account in our Salesforce CRM to a Slack channel with our team members as a message. So let's begin with our process. So here in trigger window, in choose app, we have to select Salesforce. Salesforce it is. And after that, in trigger event, we have to select new account, trigger when new account is created. After selecting our trigger event, just click on this connect button and here select add new connection. Now after that guys, we can see that Pabbly Connect is asking us to connect our Salesforce account. So just click on this connect with Salesforce button. And because we have logged into a Salesforce account in our browser, Pabbly Connect detected the very same account and here it is asking us for the authorization permission. Just click on allow and we will see that our Salesforce account will be successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after making this connection, when we will click on save and send test request, the details or the data of the most recently added, the latest account which we have added in our Salesforce CRM, the data of that very same account will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So before we click on save and send test request, let's get back to the service page of our Salesforce account. And from here, just go to accounts. And here we can see that right now at this time while creating the video, I don't have any account in my Salesforce CRM. So let's create a new account over here. Now for that, just click on this new button and here we will enter the details or the data of a new account, a dummy account. For example, the account name is dummy account. So let's enter a test email address. Parent account, we don't have any parent account as of now. Let's ignore the facts. Let's enter the account number. So this is the account number. Website, for example, pabbly.com. Then account site, we don't have any account site. Account type, for example, it's a technology partner. Ownership is a private ownership. Industry, in industry section, we will select, for example, let's select the industry, technology, do we have it? Okay, so we have technology over here. Let's select technology over here. employees, it has 20 employees just for an example. Annual revenue $132, just an example. So after that, at this page, I have entered some basic details of a new account which we are going to create in our Salesforce CRM. So I have entered these details, but guys, if you want, like I have entered some basic details, but at this very same page it is asking us for address and additional information as well. So if you want, you can also add this very same details while adding the contact. For this video right now, I'm just ignoring this so not so important fields. I'll just scroll down and here I will click on save. And as I click on save, we can see that dummy account, by this name, a new account is created in our Salesforce CRM. So now guys, we have successfully created a new account. Now we have connected our Salesforce CRM with Pabbly Connect over here. Now as I told you, as we click on the save and send test request button, the response or the data of most recently added account in Salesforce CRM gets inside Pabbly Connect. Just click on this. And yes guys, we can see that here we have received a response over here. And in this response, we will find the details of the very same account which we have just now few seconds ago created in our Salesforce CRM. So we have the same account name, dummy account, same account type, technology partner, which we have selected. Then we will scroll down to we have the very same mobile number, same account number, same website, same photo URL, same industry, annual revenue, and the very same details which we have entered while just adding or creating this account in our Salesforce CRM. We have all of those details which we have entered over here in Pabbly Connect. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. Now let's move to step 2. Now as our new account is created, we want to send the account details and a message notification on our Slack channel with our team members. So for that, just scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we have to search for Slack. Slack it is. And after that, in action event from the drop down, we have to select send channel message. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now guys, here we have to connect our Slack account with Pabbly Connect. Now to do so, just click on this connect with Slack button. And here in this pop-up box, it is asking us the connection is of a user type or a bot type. So for example, I am selecting user it is, and click on save. Now because I have also logged into my Slack account in my browser, Pabbly Connect detected the very same account and asking me for the authorization permission. Just click on allow and we can see that our Slack account is now also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is channel. So in the drop down below, we can see a long list of all the channels which I have created in my Slack account can be seen over here. So let me show you. Let's get back to Slack. And here you can see all of these channels which I have already created. So out of all these channels, the channel in which I want to share the details of a new account created in my Salesforce CRM is named as new Salesforce account. I want to send the details as a message at this particular channel. So we will be selecting this very same channel over here. So just search for new Salesforce, the very same channel which we have created, new Salesforce account. After selecting the channel, it is asking us for the message, that what is the message which we want to send. So we have to actually draft the message of the body with the details of a new account which we have created in Salesforce. So we have received the response of the newly created account in Salesforce from Salesforce and Pabbly Connect over here. And from here, one by one, we will map this very same data over here in this message field. So what is this mapping? Let me show you later in this video. But first, let's begin with our message. So I want my message to be started as hello. And after hello, I want to mention team. Hello team. These are some details of the very same account which you have created just now in Salesforce. So whenever a new account in Salesforce CRM is created, I want to send these details of that very same newly created account as a message on my Slack channel with my team members. So we have received all of these details from Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So here we have, as you can see, we have in this response, we have the name of the account. So we have to basically map this very same data over here in front of this name of the account name. So guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Just click on this field over here, and from the drop down below, we can see all the responses which we have received from Salesforce can be seen over here. And out of all these responses, select the response of account name and map it over here. And it is mapped. So whatever name we will give to the account in our Salesforce CRM, we will get that very same response over here in Pabbly, and the very same name of the account will be added as a message in the message which is going to be shared on our Slack channel. So we have mapped the name. Now let's map the website, and the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this, and from the drop down below from the responses, we have received the website response for the website of the newly created account. Select it and map it. Then let's select the account type from the drop down. It's a technology partner. Now after account type, let's map the phone number. So from the drop down, select the response of phone number and map it. And after that, at last, it is asking us for the ownership. So we have also received the response of ownership. Just select it and map it. So in this way, I have mapped all the details or the required details of some of them which we have received of a new account creation in Salesforce inside Pabbly Connect. We have mapped that very same data over here in this message field. So this is the kind of message I want to send. If you want, you can basically change the body of the message or the details which you are sharing as a message on your Slack channel as well. So after creating this message, the next thing it asks us is image URL and image alternate text. So if you are sending some kind of images as well on your Slack channel, you can add the URL or the link of that very same image over here and the text with that image over here. Then it is asking us bot name and bot icon. So by the name of a bot basically, or a user which you have selected while making the connection, it has asked us. So if we select a bot, we can actually decide the name of the bot, that what is the name of the bot and what is the display picture of that bot can be. So you can basically add details over here. Then rest of the fields are also not mandatory, not required. So let's ignore those fields over here for now and just click on save and send test request. Now after clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a very positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have drafted over here with these details is now successfully sent on this Slack channel of ours. So let's check it. Let's get back to Slack. And yes guys, we can see that the very same message which we have created is now automatically posted as a new message, a new channel message on our Slack channel and shared with our team members. So this message says, hello team, we have created a new account in Salesforce CRM. Account name, this is the name of the account, the very same name which we have given to the newly created Salesforce account. The same website of that particular account, that account's type, that account's phone number and ownership. So guys, we saw that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now after using this automation, whenever you will create a new account in your Salesforce CRM, the details of this very same newly created account will be automatically shared as a channel message on our Slack channel. So let's get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this amazing automation. So here in this automation in trigger window, we have selected Salesforce and new account was our trigger event. And after that, we have connected our Salesforce account. Then we created a test account, a dummy account in our Salesforce CRM so that we can get the response of that very same account as well. Now after that, after receiving the response of a new Salesforce account, we have sent that very same details, very same data to Slack so that we can send the account details as a channel notification, as a channel message and share it with our team members on our Slack channel. So guys, as you can see here in this workflow, in trigger window, it is showing us every 3 hours. So this means guys, the trigger of this automation, trigger of this workflow will be executed every 3 hours. After every 3 hours, Pabbly Connect will go to a Salesforce account and check for the details or the updates regarding a new account. So in that period or that duration of 3 hours, if the number of accounts which will be created, Pabbly Connect will get the data of all those accounts over here. And after that, process this automation and trigger it and send the Slack channel messages. So the connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect is based on a polling technique. That's why this automation triggers every 3 hours, as you can see over here. So not just these applications guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.